in the book.
All right. Now, briefly, you know about infectious and non-infectious disease. Infectious, which can be passed to one another. Okay, you can get it from somebody else. And non-infectious, of course, it is from your own. It is bacteria. Now,
Yeah,
I
Miss, what about the
antibiotics, yes.
yeah, Miss, what about the explore?
What about the school?
No, the project explore about liquid plan. You told me.
Do I fix it?
You can fix it and you
We
can,
can use it.
you can fix it and you can use it as what do you call, as you know, you can put something of Earth Day. I have Miss Vala, she has given you an example, right?
Yeah.
No, I didn't. I don't think so.
Earth Day band. You have some Earth Day band. Okay, I will send it to you. You can color it, and anyways, we just want one of the band, and our topic is that disasters, girls. Like, you know, on how to save Earth from disasters. So every
Natural disasters, for example.
yes,
Is it
like
part
example,
of it?
we have tsunamis, we have floods, we have all these disasters. So how can you save the Earth from these? How can you save the Earth from these disasters? This is the main topic of grade 6. And so you can just say me that how I will show you videos that day, and you are the one who will create a scenario. Creating a scenario means, girls, like example, I have shown about earthquake to Wateen of 2010. I have shown tsunami of 2008 to Ghalia. So you will speak about it and you will put your own views that how will you, you know, will in advance, how will you protect our earth from getting more, like example in tsunami, maybe half of the city died. So what do you think? What precautions?
So this is Miss the project we're going to talk about.
Yeah, we are going to talk about, and then see Earth Day here. This is what you're talking about, right? This is the thing what you're.
Yeah, we're going now to talk about Earth, right?
Yes, Earth Day. It's like how are you saving our topic? Grade 6 topic is how do we save our planet or Earth from disasters? So this is your topic. You will note it down and you will explore. You will, you know, you'll try to collect many points that keep till Thursday, so that when you see me on Thursday, you will talk about it. You will have your own suggestions. You will put on a green T-shirt with with a headband, and you will see the scenarios. You can even create your own scenario. Like example, in 2020, there is a disaster. Something happened in Saudi Arabia, and how do you think from before you can take measures? You can take, you know, precautions. This one you're talking, right?
So Miss, we talk about the past, and there's like tsunami came and like this.
Yes, but you will. I will show you about the past, but you will talk about what are your new ideas. Like example, if you are some geologist, so what are the new ways you feel that must be there to help our Earth to be safe?
Miss, I have a project from my old school about the tornadoes.
You can pick up the tornadoes and you can explain me, and you can explain your own new ideas, how to overcome that, how to protect the buildings, how to protect the area, how to protect people from that. Okay, so each one of you can choose any disaster by your own. Like example, Malak wants to choose about volcanoes, Wateen will choose about earthquake, anything, it's up to you. Okay,
Yes.
that's it.
Okay, Miss.
This is all about what are we going to and study about it. Now coming, and we'll have a lot of knowledge about it that day, inshallah. Now coming to the lesson. Now, antibiotic is medicine used to kill or slow growth of bacteria. Did I tell you that a bacteria kills a bacteria? There are specific bacteria that kills the other bacteria. Antibiotics are made from bacteria that kills the other bacteria. Similarly, antiviral drugs or antiviral drugs is a drug that destroy viruses or prevent their replication. All right?
Right.
Now coming to question number, sorry, page number 122. This is directly you are going to answer me. Malak, a disease that can be passed from one person to another. Is it infectious or it is non-infectious?
A disease that can be passed from one to another, it's infectious.
Very good. If it is can't, it is non. If it is can, it is infectious. Very good. Next, infectious disease can be caused by different type of pathogen. A type of pathogen that depend on living organism. This pathogen, it grows only in the body of living organism. What is that pathogen here?
Virus.
Virus. Okay, virus needs to grow. 4 ways it can be transmitted. Ghalia, do you know what are the ways it can be go from one person to another? By person, by some animal, water, and food.
And food.
Lastly, how can you treat the bacteria and fungi? By antibiotics. All right? So you don't have
Right, miss.
All right.
much of what you call as vocabulary lesson review here. So be ready. I'm going to give you from the vocabulary words. All right. So now today, I want you all, we will start with nutrition fitness. I'll just briefly say you because this is a very, very, very interesting lesson. Now, what I want is tomorrow when you be there in my class, I want you all to get, I think you remember, what's your name, Wateen and Malak, that we cut the nutrition label last year. Do you remember something about that?
What, miss?
Nutrition label. When I say nutrition label, any pack, your cake, your chips, everything has a nutrition label at the back. It shows this much.
Yeah, miss.
And you remember in the class?
Yeah, the nutrients fact. Yeah.
Yeah.
The
So,
total fat and
yeah, like this.
salt.
So for tomorrow, I want you all to be there with this. With this, anything. Like today, maybe you're eating cake or you're eating what you call chips or chocolate or anything in the kitchen. Go in the kitchen and you have nutrition facts everywhere. Cut and keep it ready for tomorrow. Can you do that?
Yeah, miss, sure.
All right, and inshallah, next week we are going to make the choose my plate. You can make this. You know, you have a plastic plate. You will divide them into fruit, vegetable, grains, and proteins. And I want you all to stick the pictures, or if you want to be very creative, you can even take the, you know, like some toys of fruits or some, you can make it with a clay or anything creative. And I want you all to make best of the plate. It can be printed and you can stick, but it's lovely, girls. Like this is the complete diet. You must have fruits, vegetables, proteins, like.
So we do like this. We put some
What is an example
and
of grain?
vegetable and put some grains and protein.
You can do that. You know, you can take real grains and put on the plastic or anything. What you feel.
Miss, what is an example of grains?
Grains, like you can take, what do you say? Like, you know how the oats are grains, oats.
Oh yeah, I know.
Okay. I
Yes, I have oats.
What?
Like if I put oats, like should it be a clay or even if it's like a real food, it's okay?
It's okay, anything real. And you know, sometimes when I was a student, I will tell you, when my teacher told me to make a project, I used to put it in a plastic and seal that plastic and then, you know, stick it with the tape so that the secrets were real. I still remember. Imagine I was in grade 3 or grade 2, but I still remember because, you know, when you do something with real without those pictures, that you remember for your whole life. But, you know, putting real fruits is not possible. So you can take the pictures of fruits. Or if you want, you can make a real plate and take a picture and send it to me or show it in the on the cam. But we must know what a balanced diet looks like. See here, can you see? You have a oat bar, you have a apple, you have a fruit, you have vegetable, you have milk, everything there.
Yeah.
So this is a very interesting lesson to have many activities here. Let us begin here. Now,
Yeah.
nutrition and fitness. How are nutrition, fitness, and health related? By the end of the lesson, we will be able to explain how healthy habits such as eating proper nutrients and staying physically fit can help a person live a healthy lifestyle. So, Malak, I want you to read the vocabulary terms as always.
Okay.
Nutrition, come on,
Okay.
louder, louder.
Nutrition and nutrition, opacity,
Obesity,
nutrient, eating, disorder,
yes,
diet, physical fitness,
overweight.
overweight.
Okay. So I want you all, I will give you some time of 5 minutes. I want you all, so you can see this picture here, that what our balanced meal has. It can be yogurt or can be milk, oatmeal with butter. This is your grain. Then you have your protein. They said cooked beans, butter, and you have fish, vegetables and fruits. We even have fats here. It's all that. Let me continue with a little bit of this page, and you can continue the drawing and send it to me. If you feel that you have another class and you will take later time and you can send me later, it's okay. Now, first thing, what is nutrition? What is a nutrition? Nutrition means study of the food in which actually my body wants to use. And what my body gets are nutrients. It's a substance that give my body energy or help my body tissues to grow. Again, you need to take out this page number, page 126, and you need to highlight this. Okay. Nutrition, and what is a nutrient? Nutrition is nothing but the study of food. Okay, in which the body uses food. And what is a nutrient? It is a substance that provides energy or helps from body tissues. Now, anyway in your life, even if you go to graduation, when you want to become a nutritionist, the first question asked will be, what are the 6 classes of nutrients? Remember CPF VMW. We used to say CPF VMW, you know, the BMW car, like that VMW. So you just, yeah, CPF, we used to say CPF VMW. That's it. Carbohydrate.
C, carbohydrate.
B, protein. F, fats. B,
W, water.
Vitamins. M, minerals. And W, water.
Miss, but vitamins and minerals together.
You see, there are sometimes minerals are different from vitamins, okay?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Like, see, when I specifically say that they have deficiency of vitamin, that means they have deficiency of vitamin A or vitamin C or vitamin D. Minerals are like iron, calcium, understood?
Understood.
Combination of these. Usually medicines are made usually of combinations of this. That's why vitamins and minerals, they come together. And they are found usually in fruits together. That's why vitamin and minerals are called, but they are two separate things. So carbohydrates, again highlight, these sugars, like they give you quick, carbohydrates like table sugar, honey. These sugar give you quick energy, and complex carbohydrates.
This sugar give you quick energy.
Quick
I
energy.
like it.
Yes, I'll give you, yes, highlight. I'll give you one example. Athletes, like example, when we were small and we used to play sports, maybe some competition, like racing or some game. So I remember we had different houses like red house, blue house, green house, and yellow house. And I was from blue house. So I had that, passion of like making my house win. So that time my teacher used to give me glucose. She used to directly let me eat the glucose. We especially have in pharmacy, we get glucose, where when you eat, you get a lot of energy. So complex carbohydrates such as bread and grain products are made from many sugar molecules and give you long-lasting energy. Fiber is a complex carbohydrate that aid digestion. Whole grains, even some carbohydrates that helps you in digestion, that is good for your, that carbohydrates are good for you, like oats. Oats are sometimes under grains and carbohydrates. So those are also giving you aid. Aid means helping you for digestion. Protein.
Miss, oats are healthy food, right?
Very healthy food. Those are under carbohydrates, but they don't let you gain your weight, and they help you in the digestion. When I
eat oats.
You remember that is helping your muscles. When I say carbohydrates, they give you a lot of energy to do work. My muscles, my skin, my blood.
So when we eat carbohydrates, like you have lots of energy.
Yes, that's why don't take it a lot. They say that don't give sugars to kids, they get hyperactive. They don't control themselves. They jump, kids, and even you all. Sometimes in the school, if you eat a lot of sugar that day, we cannot control you all. You remember how the class running around? Anyways, grade 5 was wonderful. It was one of my favorite class because you were very, compared to your seniors. Anyway, they are lovely too. Proteins are nutrients to build, regulate, and repair your body. They are also source of energy. My muscles, skin, blood, and all tissues contain proteins. They are made of amino acids. This is what we have learned last year. Proteins mean amino acids, like fish, beans, eggs. They break down. The protein is broken down inside my body into amino acids. And then which protein is needed for skin, that protein goes there. Which protein is needed for blood, that goes there. Every part of my body need protein. So this is all for today. We studied about carbohydrate, about proteins. Tomorrow we're going to study about water, vitamins, and minerals.
Miss, our body needs carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, and minerals, and water. Our body needs fats.
Of course it needs fats also, but a limited amount. When it goes above that limited amount, the carbohydrates, actually they are broken fats.
I was talking the whole time and the mic was closed.
It happens here, Malak. And you were wondering why Miss Shaista is not replying me. Why is she not saying good answer? It happens like that. Sometimes even with me, I'm talking everything and then later you say, teacher, I cannot hear you. You are muted. It happens, dear. Normally we are facing all of this.
So Miss, our body needs fats, right?
Yeah, our body needs fat. Yes, it needs fat. But again, healthy fats. We have saturated fat. We have trans fat. We have different things. So
limited fat.
Okay, we need it. Take care and have.
So tomorrow.
It's a very.
Tomorrow we take the nutrition fact.
Yes, cut and keep it ready for your class, before your class. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Anything, your milk from anything. If you don't ask your mom, don't throw the milk box, and you can cut from the box and anything with a blade or anything. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Take care and have a nice day.
Have a nice day, Miss.
Have a nice day, Miss.
Same to you. Thank you so much.